Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Ebony or Basui. Ebony, my darling, you be person way I love well and so many people love you, you understand. So I just want to use this video to advise you small, my sister. I beg. You see this location where you dey so where for the art film, so make you stop to the do live video for now. I beg. Because I notice I say I never see you for live video and I just dey happy. Maybe one or two people could just say advise you. May you limit them because you know say you get so many enemy. That is number one. Number two, people want to see you say you made mistake. You understand? People will be say they're not there happy for a good thing. They want to see you say you made mistake so that they'll come carry them, go they share and they go, so that they'll come say suspend you for this your Lollywood where I not permit they suspend you. Then people will come begin to talk and they go say, you see, I make an uncertain go. You understand? So maybe you just take careful, and even though you they do live video, my sister, I beg, make you not do one for well and for the change again. Well and for the change cloth, make you not do one for there again. You see what it happen when somebody delicate you don't know. Because I believe say supposed you know if you not allow come show for that live video. You understand? Because now women I did there, so she get right to pull her cloth. You understand? And I just see permission she not see the video. Because if that girl see that video, she not go there happy. She not go there happy. You understand? So the thing just really like, I just dey shock when I see him. So my sister, I beg, may you not do live video for now. Make you for the art film again. You know they see the rest of the they know they do live video. Then they cut only that small ones they put for Instagram. You understand? Because all those live video, it can put person for problem. It can put person for problem. You understand? And you know, say you quarrel with so many people for social media. So if you any small thing like this, they want just see you. They want just see you say you make mistake and or you begin to share and they go. You understand? So my sister, I beg, any video where you want live video where you want do not, they careful. They careful. No do live video for inside we on the change again. I beg. No do them again. See the one where you do now, you see what you resolve to. So maybe you just take live video easy for now. For now. No, they do live video again all the time. And I pray maybe the girl not see that video. I just pray. Maybe people not go cut that video. Go give all those big blogger for Instagram. Maybe they begin to share and they go. I just pray they not see them. Because when me even see the video, they are not the live video that day, but I see the video. So the thing shockalize me, you understand? So my sister, I beg, may you dey careful for all those your live video where you go to do for now. May you dey very, very careful. You understand? May you dey careful. Make your live video not go put you for one chance. Then your enemy go come they laugh you. Because so many people want to see you say you made mistake. And you know say you get problem for a do industry. This one again, now when you talk with the manager, now when you happy. No, can see yes story that touches the heart is not encouraging and it's not really like it's not good because you yourself you not go forgive yourself. What you don't labor, what you don't really try for, may you reach there. Now you don't reach there now. One small mistake you can remove it for there is not really like it's not encouraging. You understand? So that is why I say make I use this short video to tell you for now stop doing live video. Even you get one live video where this guy do Italian first lady, which she told say Ebony for live video for now, make you take am easy. Everybody there happy say you did there the heart film, but take am easy for now. All those live video every time is not really good. You understand? Because live video can put person for problem. What do you not see? Now commenters then they go see am. It be like say you not quick see am. Even commenters, they will even write it says, hey, body, see somebody body. Oh. It be like say you not see am. You understand? So maybe you just be careful. Well, you pray the girl not see the live video, and which I just dey pray for. May the girl not see am. You understand? So everybody, we love you. We don't want me you made mistake. We don't want maybe say we'll call your story that touches the heart. You understand? So maybe you just take things easy for now. Live video all the time, even when you are on location. Stop it. Once. So don't be all the time you have to do live video. You know? Obviously people know how me you do live video, but where una they change, where una for the art, take am easy. May you not go put somebody for live video where the person don't know say you did. You go see cause problem. So not before let that girl, maybe somebody know want me if face show like that for all those live video, you can go put on. Problem go still come for there. You understand? So maybe you just take things easy for now. Take things easy. Live video for now. Take them easy. Not do live video for now. Just take things easy with yourself. I know say that video now you go just see you yourself not go there happy put. Because if that guy see it can even lead to if that guy go report you, it can lead to suspension, you know. Nollywood not take nonsense too. So I just pray make she not see so this one are just a small like a small lesson to you now. So that you go know how you take they do for them now. For now, me go even advise you. No, if you want to do live video, just sit down. Maybe you know, say you know the art film. You want just see, come make your fans laugh, all those things. Come gist with them. Say maybe you just come live video, come sit down, begin the art film. You know the location. You come not do all those ones again. Just they do live video where you just dey alone, like you want just address issue, or you want just to make us laugh, you know. And say you just can't go your location there. No, not do that one again. I beg everybody, not do that one again, because this one are just a lesson to you now, you know. So my people, well, when you wow, I just say I just do this video to take advice Ebony, because Ebony na say our sister, no matter what, now our sister na it be, because people want to see you say you made mistake. Like Olakoko now, you know, put the matter for ground again. Every day, every day Ebony matter. Me mangi anything I give me as an Olakoko now with the matter with contract I don't know. You understand? So I get baby the backbone. So maybe just take care for my sister. And at the girl picture that in the use as Sunday. So I just prevent the girl not see her, man. So my people, thank you. Please help me to share the video. Let it go viral. So anything you want to think about the video, I'm gonna leave on a comment for the comment section. Bye everybody. Bye.